Hello, my friends. Welcome back to White Eagle. I'm Mike. Today, I'm with Anna. Say hi, Anna.
Hi, Mike. Hi, everyone. I'm new to English.
Great to have you, Anna. Today, we talk about something important. Listening is the key to speaking English well.
Listening, not grammar or words?
Grammar and words help, but listening is number one. Think about babies. They don't read books. They listen first.
Babies listen? How?
Babies hear mum and dad every day for months. Then they speak. No books, no tests.
So, I should listen a lot?
Yes, Anna. Listen first, then speak. Don't start with hard grammar.
But speaking is hard. I forget words.
That's okay, Anna. Many people try to speak too soon. They study rules, write a lot, but don't listen enough.
Why is listening better?
It's natural, like a baby. You hear sounds, your brain learns. Speaking comes easy after.
What should I listen to?
Fun things, songs, stories, podcasts like this. Pause here and think. What do you like?
Songs? Like music?
Yes, when you hear a song, you don't think about every word. You feel it. English is the same. Feel the sound.
Sound? Like up and down?
Yes, intonation. How voice goes high or low. It shows feelings.
But English is fast. I don't understand.
That's normal, Anna. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen. Your brain will learn patterns.
Patterns? Like a puzzle?
Exactly. Listen many times. Words become clear. You can do it.
Okay. Any special way to listen?
Yes. Shadowing. You listen and speak at the same time, like an echo.
Echo. How do I do it?
I'll show you. Step 1. Pick easy audio. Understand about 70%.
70%? Not all?
No, 70% is good. Not too easy, not too hard.
Step 2?
Listen one time quietly. Feel the speed and rhythm.
Rhythm? Like music?
Yes. Step 3, shadow. Say the words right after you hear them. No stopping.
What if I say wrong?
Mistakes are fine, Anna. Keep going. Don't think too much.
Step 4?
Repeat. Do it 3 or 4 times. It gets easier.
Every day?
Yes, 10 to 15 minutes a day. Your speaking will get better.
Better how?
You hear better, say words faster, feel confident.
Confident? no more scared?
Yes, Anna. Speaking will feel natural. Let's try. Listen. Hello. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good. Now, I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Great. Let's try a longer one. My name is Mike. I like to learn English.
My name is Mike. I like to learn English.
Now change the name. My name is Anna.
My name is Anna. I like to learn English.
Perfect. You're speaking. Keep trying.
Fun. Where do I find audio?
Phone apps, YouTube, podcasts. Start with slow ones.
Slow? Like for kids?
Yes, kids' stories are great. Like, the cat is on the mat.
The cat is on the mat.
Good. Now, the cat is black.
The cat is black.
Nice. You're shadowing. Let's try a real situation. At a cafe. Can I have coffee?
Can I have coffee?
I want sugar, please.
I want sugar, please.
Great. Now you try. Order something.
Can I have tea?
Awesome. You're learning fast.
Can I listen while walking?
Yes. Walking, eating, or before bed. Anytime.
How long to get better?
Be patient, Anna. Weeks or months, but do it every day.
Every day, like exercise?
Yes. Small steps make big changes.
What about slang? Like cool?
Listen to hear slang. Like, it's a piece of cake.
Cake? Food?
No, it means easy.
Oh, funny.
Yes. Listen to learn these.
TV shows?
Good idea. Watch with English sound. Start with subtitles, then no subtitles.
Why no subtitles?
To focus on listening.
Music, too?
Yes. Sing along. Like, Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Great. Try, Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
You got it. Let's try another situation, asking for directions. Where is the park?
Where is the park?
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Now you try. Ask something.
Where is the shop?
Perfect. You're speaking naturally.
What if I get bored?
Change the audio. Try news, stories, or food talks.
Food. Like, I like pizza?
Yes. Shadow. I like pizza with cheese.
I like pizza with cheese.
Now make your own. I like.
I like ice cream with chocolate.
Awesome. You're creating now.
This is fun.
See? Listening is exciting.
Can friends help?
Yes. Talk online. Try apps like Hello Talk.
Scary to talk.
Start with listening to voice messages. Then shadow.
Okay, any other tips?
Record yourself. Compare to the audio.
Compare to hear mistakes.
Yes, it helps.
Mike, how did you learn?
I learned Spanish with songs, listened a lot, then spoke.
No books?
Later, listening first.
Cool. I'll try.
Let's practice one more. Good morning. The weather is nice.
Good morning. The weather is nice.
I like to walk in the park.
I like to walk in the park.
Now your own.
Good morning. I like sunny days.
Perfect. You're speaking naturally. Keep practicing.
Thanks, Mike.
3 key points to remember. 1. Listen a lot. 2. Shadow every day. 3. Be patient.
Got it. Listen, shadow, patience.
Yes. Thank you, Anna. You can do it.
Thank you, Mike.
Goodbye for now, friends. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep believing. See you next time on White Eagle.